Each week at UHCL, you might walk up to the noise of generators in between the Bayou and the Student Services building. Though the noise may be loud, it doesn't stop students from visiting the food truck parked outside these two buildings, especially on nice weather days.
I prefer the nice weather days because it's get out of the office for a little bit and walk around, get some fresh air.
Yeah, probably up there because it's nice outside today.
And the food is really that good. Would you ever come out like on a rainy day or ugly day, or is it just the nice one?
Oh. I would because I love food. Rain or shine. I probably would not. Only because nice weather, food truck outside, but I mean the cafe's inside, so it's warm, you can get a coffee, so.
Unlike fast food, where you sit in your car at a drive-thru, students and faculty wait outside the truck for their name to be called. So, this begs the question, what you doing at the food truck?
I was hungry in between classes and didn't really have enough time to go off campus before studying.
Do you play on your phone while you wait?
Occasionally, yeah.
And what do you do?
Mostly just check messages. I don't get any signal inside the building, so.
Okay. What kind of thing?
I think I kind of eavesdrop on other people's conversation.
What have you heard?
I think generally it was just students talking about their workload, maybe professors talking about how hungry they were.
Nothing juicy?
Nothing juicy, man. No drama going on.
I'm on Yelp because I'm already looked them up. Like last night I looked them up and I was like, ooh, I'm getting this and I'm getting this. I'm so gross. So I do that a lot.
The Golden Grill is one of the many food trucks that come and visit UHCL. They have a variety of food from buff chick to s'more sandwiches. They feature a signature classic grilled cheese, but it's not like your mama made them. What did you get?
I got the carnitas sandwich. It looks pretty interesting, pretty good.
Well, I haven't tried everything yet, but I'd really like the carnitas from the.
I just got the Hamlin and buffalo chicken tots.
Okay.
6 different food trucks will visit UHCL this semester, all featuring a different style of food to try. For more information on the food truck schedule, visit uhcl.campusdish.com. This has been Nathan Jeter reporting for The Signal. Thank you for watching.